Is it too late to buy Bitcoin? Bitcoin is already worth thousands of dollars. Big companies are buying it. ETFs exist. So the question everyone asks in 2026 is, did we already miss the opportunity? Let's break this down in the simplest way possible. Most people feel late because they compare Bitcoin today to Bitcoin years ago. They hear things like, Bitcoin was only a few dollars once. If only we bought earlier. But this happens with every new technology. People felt late buying Apple stock in 2005. People felt late using the internet in 2000. Feeling late doesn't mean the opportunity is gone. It usually means adoption is still happening. Even in 2026, most of the world still doesn't use Bitcoin. Many people don't own any. Many businesses don't accept it. Many countries are still figuring out regulations. That means Bitcoin is not finished. It's still growing into what it could become. Early doesn't mean cheap. Early means not fully adopted yet. Another big misunderstanding is this. People think you need to buy one full Bitcoin. That's not true. Bitcoin can be divided into very small units called Satoshis. We can buy a tiny piece, not the whole thing. So the real question isn't, can we afford one Bitcoin? The real question is, do we want exposure to Bitcoin at all? Many beginners try to buy at the perfect moment. But historically, Bitcoin has rewarded people who focused on time in the market, not perfect timing. Instead of asking, is this the lowest price? A better question is, do we believe Bitcoin will still matter years from now? If the answer is yes, then being early or late matters less than being consistent and patient. Being late doesn't mean we missed everything. It means we are entering at a different stage. Earlier, buyers took higher risks with more uncertainty. Newer buyers face less uncertainty but smaller upside. Every stage has trade-offs. So, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? No one can predict prices. But from an adoption perspective, Bitcoin is not done growing yet. The real risk isn't being late. The real risk is never learning how Bitcoin works at all. If this helped simplify Bitcoin for you, subscribe to Block and Learn, where we explain Bitcoin so simply even a 5-year-old could understand it.